Hey guys, Dr. Jenkins here with a brief video on what to do when you run out of options when you're searching through the databases. So say you found a couple of articles in your databases and you're like, okay, I'm hitting a brick wall. What do I do? So this video kind of walks you through those steps, shows you how to use the references found in the articles that you do have to kind of lead you to some additional resources, and shows you kind of what steps to take, how you find those other articles using some of the library's other resources. So hopefully you find it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or to some of our other librarians. Give us a call, stop by, and we look forward to working with you. Okay, so say you found the perfect article and it has everything in it that you're looking for, everything that you can ever imagine, but you can't find any additional articles on this topic. So you're reading through the article and you find some great information, and you say, well, maybe I can use what this person wrote or some of their resources, and that is a great place to start. So you read through the article and you notice that there are citations. Any good research article, quantitative, qualitative based, any type of article, peer reviewed, will have citations. That's of course something you want to look for. And you'll notice, okay, maybe what this author says sticks out to me. So I want to find their research. So this is Lemoe, Cumberledge, and Taylor 2019. So I scroll down to the references, the reference section, and I find that particular resource. So here it is, same names, here's the date, 2019. The significance of it, all of the resources and references are listed in alphabetical order. And then here's the title of the article, an exploratory study on the factors affecting mental health and well-being of frontline workers in homeless services. And then you have the title of the publication, Health and Social Care in the Community. The volume of the publication, volume number 27, issue number 4, the page numbers that the article is found on, pages 367 through 378, and then the DOI number. So it's the way that you can kind of identify it without all of the other information. It is very important to understand how to read a citation so you know the type of resource that you're looking for, because some of these may be books, some may be articles. For example, this is a book. I know this because it has an author, a date, it has a title, but this is the title of a chapter within a publication. So it says it's the title of this chapter found in this particular edition was edited or edited by these authors, and then this is the name of the actual book. And then there are 2 P's, so it tells me it's the pages that the chapter is found in, and then this is the actual publisher. So it's just incumbent upon you, I guess, to learn how to identify the different types of publications based on the citation. So back to our lesson at hand. So we're going to look for this particular resource because we liked what the author said in the actual article that we were reading. So how do we find it? Well, the first thing we need to do is find this publication. Where online is this resource located? So we have Health and Social Care in the Community. So the easiest thing to do is to go to the library's website, www.lib.alasu.edu, and click here where it says eJournals. So I'm going to go to eJournals. So again, I need the title of the publication, Health and Social Care in the Community, and I'm just going to type that in right here. And I'm just going to type the first part of it. And you see there are 2 that start with Health and Social Care, but only one that says Health and Social Care in the Community. And then you'll see the dates of availability. From 1998 until a year ago is available in 2 databases, and from 1997 to the present is available in 2 others. So that means our article that we were looking for was published in 2019, so we can choose any of these databases. So it's important that you remember what year your article was published in, so that you know if it's available online in any of our databases. So keep that in mind. So we're going to just click on any of them. I'll go ahead and go with academic search complete. And it goes right into the publication. So again, it said it was from 2019. So we just click on 2019, expand it. If we remember the volume and issue number, we can go ahead and click there. If we don't, we go back to our list of references. 2019, remember it said volume 27, issue number 4. All of this is key and very important. So volume 27, issue number 4, we click on it and it shows us all of the articles available in that particular issue of this publication. And it starts from page 1 and goes all the way to the last page in that particular issue. So you'll see that it's showing 1 through 10 on this page of 60. This article is on page, where are we? On page 367. So we have a ways to go. So if we scroll down, we'll see number 10 on this page only gets us to, well, it gets us to page 889. So we're working our way. If we don't know where it is, we can always just add in the title of the article. So the article's title is an exploratory study, and I'm just going to highlight it here and add it to our search. And hit search, and here is our article. The exact article from our original resource, and now we have the full text of this article. So now we have an additional resource, and we know that it's going to be helpful because we already saw that it was it was an added benefit to the original article that we already liked. And so then we can go ahead, we can select this article's title and do what we will. We can read the full text of the article. We can choose to print the article. We can email it to ourselves. We can save it and view it later. So the options are endless. Hopefully you enjoyed this and you learned something. You have any questions, you know how to contact me. Thanks and have a great day.